Hello guys, Christmas is nearing and I'm in IKEA right now. You see the product Vinterfint, which is artificial Christmas tree. The price is 2,990 rupees, starting from the smaller one is around 3,000 rupees, and even the medium one and again the larger one. Do you see these three different types of Christmas tree? The medium one is this one, which is approximately 5,000 rupees. 5,000 approximately 80 to $80 I believe, yeah, and around $70 maybe. And the bigger one is I think little higher. I don't see any price tag mentioned here, but this is a bigger one. The quality is really good. Happy Christmas in advance.